I started to do a series of video on how to win the voice at NBC. Puis today I will do um, America Got Talent, the champion, and the Mount Olympus. I never remember the other title. Puis first an intro video. When you want to succeed and win in show business, sport, politic, the news world, or things like that, when you analyze the situation, you prepare yourself. It depends on whom you put, on whose shoes you put your feet on. What is important to understand is how things are paid, for example. Puis, when you win, usually a contest like that, it's because you're able to bring revenues to the organization to pay their expenses because it's very expensive nowadays to do a TV show. It was in the 60s too. Alors, it's not because you win something or you have a talent that people are willing to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars for you. Alors, you have like a debt. Alors, how the money arrive in an organization like that? First, they sell ads. So the more you have viewers, the more people pay per ads or per minute or per. Alors, the more you have viewers, the more the money comes in. But they have to have the true numbers. Alors, when you have false information, puis after you paid too much, puis your product or your service didn't sell a lot, alors, it's a question of trust, puis how to evaluate the amount of viewers. After, you have the exclusivity. Alors, if you are, you have a contract of exclusivity with a show, then you attract the attention only there, so the sponsors have more confidence than they're going to have some viewers or not. After, with time, you build your reputation, puis your credibility, puis people trust or not that you attract people to their product or their service, or they're willing to pay. Alors, if you put yourself in the shoes of a producer, if you have a contest, it's like figure skating, gymnastic, or diving, where you have judges. So when you do figure skating, gymnastic, or diving, there's a lot of stories in gymnastic, diving, and figure skating where people wanted to win or were supposed to win. The judges decided. Alors, you have another factor in winning because it's an evaluation by judges. Sometimes a vote that is not clear who vote. Alors, the exclusivity, amateur sport, but you have sponsors too. Alors, a good person that is intelligent and smart build a career on that power of attraction, selling exclusivity. Alors, there's also, you have to analyze also the competition. I'm old enough, I remember Channel 3, 6, 11, 4 on black and white TV. After the cable, after the video, VHS and beta, and after the Blu-ray DVD, puis the web, YouTube, something like that. Alors, it's not the same thing competition for the producer, puis competition for a person. Alors, it's the same thing in sport. Many use their technique or how to handle competition, like in sport. In sport, you use intimidation. Alors, yeah, I was a competitive swimmer, so you run the block. People do things to distract your attention or behind before arriving. They're aggressive or they scare you. Alors, it pays. People will say, why should I be poor? Puis religion play a lot of influence in that logic of money or logic of success. Why should I be poor when I can be rich? So, me, since I'm a kid, even playing board games, like Monopoly, I prefer the feeling of a real victory than a feeling of a victory achieved with cheating or things like that. It shows sometimes in a show that they are on TV, puis they appeal to their network with a code or something like that to win. Alors, if I remember my first game of Monopoly when I was a kid, the feeling of winning with no cheating or no pressure or following all the rules, it's a great feeling to win. Alors, if you arrive in a contest, puis you arrive to win a show like The Voice, America Got Talent, or Mount Olympus, ben, you say, I will have the money, I will feel successful for sure. Alors, it's not true. The real feeling of success, of being fulfilled, that lasts for a lifetime with good memories, c'est when you win, honestly. But nowadays, you have to separate. Is it a competition, a contest? Is it sport, news, politique? Is it a job, a show, a business? Because it's one thing to be evaluated on the talent, puis after it's another thing to do a show. Alors, to finish by the beginning, the contract, you have to verify what kind of contract you sign. Star Academy, they were criticized for their contract. Puis you have to verify the contract, the exclusivity, the amount of year, what you can do, what you cannot do before, while, and after. Alors, if you register in a contest, you have to be sure to know what you registered in. Alors, if it's me, là, puis I have the choice, moi, to go in bars, in theaters, on TV, social network, YouTube, after a contest, puis I want to do sitting down comedy or singing or hosting something, puis I go at America Got Talent, The Voice sur Mount Olympus, puis I sign a contract of 10 years exclusivity. Je veux dire, they want positive people that are not negative, because the more you're positive, the more you attract sponsors. It's that logic. But when you understand the pressure of a producer to bring revenues every month, to pay the salaries and everything, alors, if I sang for a TV show 10 years, I dedicate myself to that mission, to the success of that show, that business, puis all other kind of things are secondary, puis I must not be angry or regret it. Puis what I would do, moi, if I'm on the shelves after 1 year or 2-3 months, I would try to invent 10 projects with 3 solid, puis I would make a counter proposition to my employer or the one I signed the contract with, puis try to amend the contract or two. But it's a question of timing. Alors, show business, là, people get tired of what you do, puis it depends on the timing, puis alors, you have to know really what you're getting into.